using both phone number and email for iMessage.
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a question that might have crossed your mind if you're an Apple user. Can you have both your phone number and email show up as options for sending iMessages? The answer is yes, you can, and we're going to explain how to set it up.
Understanding iMessage.
iMessage is Apple's messaging service, and it's an integral part of the iOS ecosystem. It enables you to send text, photos, videos, locations, and more to other iOS or Mac users. One unique feature is the flexibility it provides when it comes to sending and receiving messages. You can choose to use your phone number, your email address, or even both for your iMessage account.
How to set up your iMessage account.
To use both your phone number and email for iMessage, you'll need to ensure they're both linked to your Apple ID and then follow these steps. 1. Open your iPhone settings. Tap on the settings icon on your home screen. 2. Go to the iMessage settings. Scroll down until you find Messages and tap on it. 3. Set up Send and Receive. Tap Send and Receive. Here, you'll see the email addresses and phone numbers that can be used to send and receive iMessages. 4. Select your phone number and email. Make sure your phone number and email address are both selected. If they're not, simply tap on them to add a check mark. Just like that, you have both your phone number and your email address set up for iMessage.
Understanding the benefits.
Having both your phone number and email as options for iMessage brings a couple of benefits. It provides flexibility and redundancy, ensuring you can continue to receive messages if there are issues with either your email or your cellular service. Additionally, it can be particularly helpful for those who use multiple devices, as it allows you to receive messages across all of them. And that's it. We've just walked through the process of setting up your phone number and email for iMessage. It's a straightforward process that can enhance your iMessage experience. If you have any other questions related to iMessage or other tech topics, don't hesitate to ask. Until next time, happy messaging!